Holy shit, it's cold. Alright, we're back. We're here. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here for indoor season. The vlogs are back. I missed the first indoor meet and kinda, I guess, the second, but we're not gonna talk about those. But we're here finally. Oh, it's really cold. Not a fan. My hands are freezing. I don't like this. I hate the cold. It's gonna be a good day though. We're heading to Bowers. It's our little athletic center. It's where the 5K guys are meeting. I am doing the 5K and the 3K. Nice little dirt double. I'm so excited. It's good to be back. Hope you guys are ready to be back. Got pretty much a vlog every weekend now. We're gonna be back at it. Ow. My knuckle hurts. It's bleeding again. I hit a wall last weekend. We don't talk about that though. Just things, you know. Just do things.
Someone's sitting here.
5K squad.
Woo! I'm gonna get lapped by the shark.
And Maria.
I'm gonna get lapped, boys. I'm gonna get lapped by this kid, and then I have to drink milk.
Colby's gonna have to drink a milk mile on Sunday. Have fun.
I will.
Yo, put in the vlog when he does a milk mile.
Should I do 2% or should I do
whole milk?
Whole milk.
Whole milk. No, half and half.
Is he allowed to do chocolate
That's
milk?
that's not milk. Oh, I'd rather do a chocolate milk. Can we do it? I want to do a chocolate.
I'll allow a chocolate milk mile. Hi Todd. You're looking cute today.
The sky's cleared. It was 0 degrees, literally 0 degrees. Not a breath of wind. 8 inches of powder on the track. 8 guys and I grabbed shovels, shoveled 2 lanes in the track. The sun came out. We did an hour tempo on the track the first day back. Nobody said a word. Like, it was just like another day at the office. It was just nothing. There was no wind. It was perfectly comfortable. They were taking their clothes off halfway through it. This ain't nothing. All right? Am I clear?
Yes.
All right.
Thanks, Dad.
Oh, thank you.
Wow. God, I hate being back here.
I hate this track.
I hate being back here.
The last time I was here, I ran a 5:28 mile on this track and then I threw up everywhere.
Last time I raced here, I ran the 3K and I was #1 in the country. Good times.
Here right now, we're catching a classic simp in action. Exactly.
157.
Nick talking to the coach, getting ready for his race, eating some snacks. Looking all serious. Oh yeah. Here we go, it's almost go time. Man's getting ready for his 800 in like 5 hours.
Yes.
I literally said this semester
What are you gonna run today, huh?
his priority would be with the homies.
I'm gonna run like a 2:30.
with the homies, that's fast. Yeah,
Okay.
Can you zoom in? What? Oh.
Y'all should get me passing out on camera.
That would be hilarious.
Stop.
Shut up.
Yo.
Boys out here warming up. Let's go. Hey yo. What kind of shenanigans is going on over there? Wild. Just got done with their second warm-up. How you feeling, guys?
Pretty good.
How you feeling? You ready to go?
I'm ready to go. I'm
Let's
really
go.
sweaty. I'm fucking tired.
Let's go.
I got some knee problems, so if I do bad today, I'm gonna blame it on my knee, but if I do good, I'm gonna say nothing happened.
Yes, sir.
There they go. And there goes Nick.
Go, boys!
Let's go, guys!
Come on! Let's go, Colin!
Let's go, boys!
25 more!
There we go.
I just laughed at his wife.
Let's go, Nick. 33. Let's go, Chirstian. Let's go, Colin. Let's go, Colby. Let's go. Let's go, Todd. There we go, Nick. Let's go. Come on, Chirstian.
Either Nick's not tired or...
Let's go, Colin. Let's go, Colby.
Work with it, Colby.
Let's go, Chirstian. Let's go, Todd. Keep it up.
What's it saying? Something Pete?
All right,
Pushing
5K boys just finished.
I'm gay.
Yeah.
I'm hurting a little. My body hurts. Todd, how you doing?
My balls are chafing.
That's good. My butthole started to hurt while I was changing.
Imagine
I'm not sure what was going on.
Wait, can I film the 3K? Can I film the 3K? Hi guys.
I think Connor.
Do I have any tonsils?
I can't see that deep.
I don't have tonsils.
I'ma get lazy.
5K squad, on our legs up. 2 of us still have a 3K. 3 of us still have a 3K to run. Oh, I'm looking kind of dead over there. Eat boy slump. Legs are feeling good. I haven't done this in years. I got buffalo chicken sandwich. Hella good. Get that protein. 5K went alright. Chris and I both did a 15:30. So take that for a season opener. Not too bad. Still got some work to do. Got to cut about 15 seconds off so we can go to regionals. And got to cut more time off to go to nationals. Do you think we need like a 14:40-ish? It's doable. It's in the books. See what we can do in 3K. Look, more teammates. Hi, Katie. I don't know if you can see them. They're running a mile. They're lame. Mile's lame. I'm tired. I am losing blood. Thinking's hard.
And Tori and Isabel.
Hi vlog, it's Bridget here.
Thank you. Have fun in your double.
It's Katie right there. We already ran, me, Haley, and Mad Dog. It's not fun. I'm sorry. I threw up a little bit.
You actually threw up.
Yeah, I ran outside.
Did you actually throw up?
Yes. Last lap. And then out the door when I finish. Yeah. Okay, bye.
You're racing again.
Hi, Nick.
I just had 2 buffalo chicken sliders.
You're gonna throw up.
Recording?
Oh God, I'm putting that in.
Ew, look at his tonsils. Do that again.
Yo, what's up, Todd?
Todd likes boys.
I do.
What's wrong with that?
It's just a joke.
Hi guys. I'm tired. Look at this dumb bitch.
Is the vlog coming out tonight?
Hey, you.
Wait. Ow! Oh, fucker. Why'd you move?
Hey, she's
Yo.
There are too many in my mouth.
Nate.
There's almost
Oh, you fucker. Right in the nut.
Yo.
Punch you right there. Now watch this. Now watch me catch this.
I just gave you the lightest tap ever too.
I can't throw it.
Nate was in the way.
But like, when is it? That kind of hurt. What? I mean? Grant, that wasn't cool. Guys, you're fucking hurt.
Oh! Hey! Was it?
Nick Garrett.
That would have been so funny.
Nick Garrett.
Yeah.
Nick Garrett. How does it feel to be a national level runner?
Oh, wait, that means you bit it. Fuck out of here. It feels pretty good.
Yeah?
You know, I keep getting gummy bears thrown at me. It's crazy,
shit.
you know. It's crazy out here. You get recognized 24/7. People want autographs, people want pictures.
Okay.
It's just nuts, honestly.
Yeah.
I never thought I'd make it this big.
What's it like being a
Hi, Nick's vlog. Nick is going to run. Oh, this is crooked. Going to run the 3K right now. He's coughing up a storm. He sounds like he's dead. We're done for the day. He might not be. He might have to run a 4x4 still.
Yeah. We should grease up.
I got some mozzarella sticks. Look at Dan's butt. I don't know what what's the You hate to see him go, but you love to watch him leave. Something like that. Oh, perfect. Oh, it's still zooming.
Oh shit, you got another.
Look at Dan's butt. Look at that.
What's the consensus?
You'll be seeing this later.
How are you feeling? Woo! Woo! I said, how are you feeling? You went, woo!
Good.
That's
Feeling
good.
ready?
Hydrated.
Got some caffeine in me.
It's good. That's good. It's good. Christian, how are you feeling?
Doing good.
Let's go. Big double, boys. Big double. Big double. Look, Nick forgot his uniform at home, so this is the second one of the day he's borrowing. This kid's an idiot.
Happens.
What, 20 years old? Can't remember his own fucking singlet.
Why do you have to have a medium?
Hold on, vlog. Colby's not very athletic. He's got to stand up. Look at that start. There's 20. How many people are in this? Ow. Holy shit. Here they come, boys and girls. Colby's about to sit back down. Right on this corner. Nick Garrett vlogs. And just like that, Nick is to the front of the race. He's zooming. There's Chirstian. And where's There's Colin. Where's Conor? There's Conor. And that is all. Bell lap. What's he at right now?
He's gonna break mine.
Oh, come on. Yeah. Hold it up right here. Hold it up right here. Come on, Nick! Come on, Nick! You have 20 seconds! Come on! Go, Christian! 54, 856, attaboy! Wait for the live result, it's not zooming out.
Hello.
Come on, man. Look at that, look at that, man. Look at Curry, man. We gotta find Nick. Oh, you're grossing somebody. Oh my god. Fast time. Go! Fast time. This kid's monkey. Let's go, baby. Welcome back. Welcome back to the vlog. Go, Colton. I went to high school with that kid. People in the vlog. We're here with Todd, Chirstian, and Nolan, waiting for the women's 4x8 to start.
You don't have a 4x8?
What? No, we don't have a women's 4x8.
We're waiting on the 4x4.
I don't know where Nick is.
You missed it. I could just hit a backflip.
I gotta give Nick his camera back, but I don't know where he is, so he's not getting his camera back. But here's Nolan.
Yeah, Brandon!
Yeah, Brandon! Yeah, Myron! Go, Grant! Go, Matt! Look at, oh, he's so fast!
Let's go, Grant!
Look at Grant kicking. Oh, Myron, oh, no, they're both dead.
Myron almost ate.
How do you feel about the race so far?
Is that Andy?
I'm excited. The boys are at Sheets. I love shits. I don't know what to get. Appetizers and sides. Ooh, app sampler. That sounds great. That's a big order.
Yeah, I got Pedialyte, but it's not Pedialyte, and I got 42 grams of protein.
Oh my god, red onion, mild pepper rings, we want pico, fuck those ones, shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, we want salt, pepper. What are these?
Don't forget the milkshake.
No.
I know how to video.
Is it a video?
Yeah.
Alright, Nick's vlog. It is currently, hold on. It is currently 1:14 a.m. the day after the meet, right? I don't know what to say at this point. Everyone watching Nick's vlog, I hope you're having a very good life right now. Maureen's behind the camera filming this shit.
Nick, you can't say I've never helped you.
You can't say we didn't help.